The last one in the trio is bridge transfer of bridge release. We already see that SDF bridge release makes more sense in this duality between bridge and release. It's the opposite direction from core foundation to Objective-C. And the nice thing about that is that afterwards you don't call any release because at that point the app takes care of it. It's where it's Objective-C. You have to do this in a couple of times and then it's a little bit easier. Alright, I really rushed through this, so I have time for my demo. Hello text.
Let's first look at the project in the Finder. Since this is a cross-platform project, which runs on iOS and OS X, it is a little bit more complicated, but it shows you also how to incorporate core text into a cross-platform project and that it works cross-platform, which is one of the advantages. So first of all, I have an Xcode workspace file. Then I have two sub-projects that are contained in folders. I renamed those to iOS and OS X. Usually they are called like the project name, which would clash because they would be called the same. And then in there you have the Xcode projects and then their respective folders with all the platform-specific files. And then I also, of course, have a shared folder which contains shared resources like the font file and two core classes that work cross-platform. Let's go to the Finder. To Xcode. Now, look at the project here. Again, we have two projects contained in this workspace, one for iOS and one for OS X. They share a similar project structure, the shared folder down here and the platform-specific folder here. And something that's interesting is that the fonts folder actually is a folder reference, not a group, so it's blue. And it's going to be copied into the product at the end. So that's really important because we also reference that path. You also have to, of course, add core text framework because we need that. And the thing is here that it used to be in different places in OS X and iOS. Now, fortunately, it is a top-level framework on both platforms, so that's easier now. And we have to add core graphics on OS X. Let's go to the classes. So I have to find a shared view class, view base, but